Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a new user account on Windows. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, click on the Start menu, then open Settings. Next, go to Accounts, and from the left side, select Family and Other Users. Now, we're going to create a user account without using a Microsoft account. So, click Add Someone Else to this PC. And then choose the option that says, I don't have this person's sign-in information. After that, click on Add a User Without a Microsoft Account. Here, just type in a username and password for your new account. You'll also need to set up a security question in case you ever forget your password. Once you've filled in all the details, click Next. And that's it. Your new user account has been created. To log in, click the Start menu again. Then select your user icon and choose the new account you just made. Enter your password and you're in. Now I have a brand new user account on Windows. And that's how easy it is to create a new user account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Windows tips.